At your heart, you hold a book of the Prajnaparamita, the complete teachings on the profound and vast graduated paths of the bodhisattvas, in order to symbolize the fact that, as stated above, you possess the twofold wisdom that knows all things exactly as they are. All sentient beings without such lasting qualities are trapped in the prison of samsara, from the peak of existence down to the lowest hell of Avici, where the three doors of their body, speech, and mind are shrouded in the thick darkness of ignorance, as they cling to concepts of I and mine. For all these beings without exception, who are, as a consequence, tormented by the three kinds of suffering, you possess a deep, caring compassion. This is illustrated by an example, just like the mother of an only child who loves him or her so tenderly. You, Manjugoka, have the loving and unbiased wish to rescue from suffering each and every sentient being who is currently tormented by frustration and pain.